Welcome back to our video guide series. This video is all about how you stretch your drawing muscles. Drawing muscles are located in our shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. You have to follow the proper way of drawing so you can make perfect shapes like circles, triangles, ovals, cylinders, and others, and also the lines like curved lines and straight lines. Now prepare your pen and paper to start your stretching. Okay, this time I will demonstrate the process of how you hold and draw on paper. So now get your pencil and paper. On my case, I have my mechanical pen and a pen paper. So now you have to hold your pencil loosely, relaxing your hand and wrist. So don't hold it too tight because the pressure on your hand will create problem on how you draw. Second one is lift your hand and wrist slightly over the paper and make a space for your elbow and a shoulder to move freely while you are drawing. Number 4, don't move your fingers and wrist when you are drawing. So now the elbow and the shoulder are the parts of your drawing muscles that should be moving to make perfect circles and lines. Now let's do it. Loosely hold the pencil, okay, and make a space from the paper and from your hand to make freely moving. And now if you try to draw a circle, make a movement like this, then move only your elbow, your upper arm muscle and shoulder to make a circle movement, and then now draw on paper. Don't push it too tight. Ganan lang natin. Repeat the process until you create a circle. So look now, my circle. Okay, let's try other shapes. I want to try triangle. Your elbow, your shoulder, and upper arm are moving. Don't move your fingers while you are drawing. Okay, make a line, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Okay. Now let's try lines. Let's try straight line from the top going down. Like what I said, let your hand is relaxed. Then use your elbow, upper arm muscles, and shoulder to make straight line like that. Don't move your fingers. Yeah. Okay, you can see my body is also moving. So fun, the Philippines. Okay, let's try horizontal line from left to right and from right to left. Don't move your fingers and wrists. Just study. Okay, now let's try spiral. Okay, don't move your wrist, your fingers. Don't. Again. Wow. How about ovals? Okay. Ovals. It's not perfect, but practice makes improvement. There's no such thing as perfect. Perfect! But we have improvement every time we practice. So don't stop improving yourself through practice. Don't move your fingers. What else? Now let's try wavy lines. Okay, wavy. Try to imitate the first wavy line to practice your eye and hand coordination. Oh my god, I can't do that. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, now let's try zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay. Next. Don't move your fingers. Okay. I think that is enough for the demonstration. Now, make this kind of practice a whole day or anytime you want if you have a free time, and do all the shapes and lines that we have practiced now. Make it in a full pen paper or a sketchbook or drawing book, just to practice your hand and eye coordination and muscle memory. Because while you are practicing, you develop muscle memory, so when you are drawing, it is easy for you now to draw automatically. Okay, so that's all for this demonstration. I hope you learned something great from this video. That's all. Thank you, and see you on the next video.